Jah could never give the power to a ballad. So I man see down pan the black and iron mates. See down pan the black and iron mates. I man see down pan the black and iron mates. What going on the world, yeah? So I man say greetings, you know. In there was Imperial Majesty, King Jesus Christ. Jah over Jireh, you know. Ever living, ever stable. Cover your bit and your clothes, my girl, cause your little tank top can cover your neighbor. Meds. So I'm at sitting up on the
Yo, Jawge, go on party. Like you all full of mates, man. Where you deal with? Help me, sir. How
about that, Jayut?
What do you mean, what that?
Jayut, how about that in your lap, Jayut?
Oh, it's a bag, man.
Yeah, we know it's a bag, but it's an Empress bag, right, Jayut?
No, man, I'm an Empress bag. I'm my bag.
No, Jayut. No, Jayut. No, Jayut. Jayut, it's a woman bag that you carry around in a lion.
So I
Lion, something wrong,
lion. Because I move backward on them things, like I don't know what's going on in the world. High fashion, this, you know.
What kind of high fashion? Look like say you must say high. High fashion?
I tell you about, that's why I can't find man like you, know. I can't find man like you, yo. Because I'm just backward in all the ways, yo. Jawge, I $2,000 to pay for this, you know. $2,000 Jawge. Actually, you don't know about high fashion and them things. You don't know about the Gucci and the Fendi and the Prada and them things there. You see me, and the Balenciaga and all them something. I can't know what's going on in the world of fashion, Jawge. Look what you have on. Look what you have on, Jawge.
$2,000? Jayut, you better take the $2,000 and go do something else with it, Jayut. I can talk about Balenciaga. Look at the idea of balance. You move lean, Jayut.
You see all them something you come talk about, man.
So I walk around with a woman bag. Ja! Can't believe it, Jayut.
So I like come in your place, and if I never feel me for them, I come in your place, you know, Jawge.
I know the same thing. I know the both for meds, you know, Jayut. As a forward, I about for meds, you know. How the world and this fashion thing. I take the man them and I demasculinate the man them, if there's such a word. I take away the man them masculinity. You know? I put the eye them in a dress, like in a Russell dress broke. But why I meticulously scrutinize it right now in the Jayut. The eye have to lift up, you know. The eye have to lift up because when Jah strike him lightning from heaven, you know, I don't want the chinks off and catch the eye, you dig? So the eye have to lift up. Matter of fact, Jayut, the eye is a lion or a lioness?